Homeowners are waiting in anticipation for interest rates to begin coming down this year. The high interest rates environment has forced the hands of many homeowners, inducing them to sell their properties or downgrade as the upkeep has become unaffordable. At Home Realty's managing director says the market has changed considerably since 2017 when she expanded her business to Johannesburg. Adeline Nodia confirms that homeowners are battling with high interest rates at the moment.
Your high interest rate, and they actually cannot cope with the increase in payment, the monthly premium. And then obviously moving work-wise, they are relocating to another city.
Notia says properties in the 3.5 million rand range are being bought at a much faster pace, followed by those priced between 800,000 to 1.3 million rand. She does confirm, though, that properties are now staying on the market for longer than the average 6 months.
You know, a lot of people say, why is my house not selling? And basically it's either too highly priced or secondly, and why? Because the other houses similar to yours in your same area sells for less or sell for higher. So you need to know that balance. Then does it have enough value? Does the people see the money in your property, value in your property? And there you can actually say, did you renovate your place? Did you maintain your place? And that is very important. If you do want to sell fast, ensure that that is in order. Then thirdly is, do you actually, can the potential buyer see his needs in your property? Yes, is it the right area? Is it the right size?
Bond originator company Get a Bond agrees that there is more supply than demand currently in the market. It says still with these market conditions, there are buyers who are getting rejected for mortgages.
The biggest factor, I would say, is interest rates. You know, if you bought to qualify for let's take a fairly entry-level kind of home loan of 950,000, in the qualifying salary for a bond of 950,000 in let's say the beginning of January 2022, you would have needed to earn 25,000 rand a month. Now it's 35,000 rand a month to be able to qualify for a bond of. So it's a huge difference. You know, it's taking a whole lot of buyers out of the market. So many fewer people who can enter the market.
Parsons says added to the high interest rates, it is the uncertainty that comes with the elections. But the number one reasons that properties fail to sell is price.
And 99% of the time, if a property doesn't sell, it's price. Market conditions and supply and demand determine price. Because you paid a 1.5 million for your property 3 years ago, now asking 1,550,000 is overpricing the property, you would never think that. You know, just wanting to break even, you would never think you're overpricing. But you are probably going to have to down price in order to sell in a relatively quickly time.
While residential property is moving at a snail's pace, the first quarter of the 2024 F&B Property Broker Survey pointed to declining vacancy rates in all three commercial property classes. According to F&B, it points to business sector expansions at a time when the economy has been coming under significant pressure from a combination of a slower global economy and significantly higher interest rates compared to just over a year ago. However, the survey also suggests that recently mounting economic pressure may stall this improvement in 2024. Diabo Seto, SABC News, Johannesburg.